This is Mike Hughes. I'm going to show you how to update or complete a task inside of Infusionsoft. And so basically the system's designed for a few different things. Most importantly, to maintain and manage the contact information, just so that we are able to reach them and email them and so on. To build in some automation for follow-up processes, and we use tags in order to segment the database and kind of make things happen automatically in some cases. And then third, when things are happening automatically, different tasks are being assigned. So some of these tasks are being assigned to the team admin. Some of them are being assigned to the contact owner. And in one of the previous videos, we updated the pipeline status, which was, we're basically looking at the top 8 pipeline status and identifying how to update that as far as revenue projections and just general tasks for follow-up. So to update or to complete this particular task as an example, I would just click on the task itself and then the calendar and select the day that it was completed, save, and the screen will refresh, that task will disappear, and it will move down to the completed task set. Add to Remax.net. Let's do another one. Now this one's assigned to the team admin. You can actually complete tasks for other individuals if you like, but in this case I'm going to click on the task. In fact, before I do that, if I were the team admin, this hopefully isn't confusing things, but if I were the team admin, basically I might say, you know what, this task is better for Mike to do. So I can reassign that task, click Save, and now you can see that that task is assigned to me. I'll show you another place where we see these task activities, but I'm going to go ahead and complete this task. Select the date, click on Save, and Done. If you want to look at tasks for an individual, this is where you would do that. If you want to look at your tasks list in general, you just go up to your tasks, and basically you can see all the tasks for yourself. You can see them for other individuals. One thing to know is that you can click on the actual task, which will pull up a screen here. I kind of opened another tab intentionally. Nope, that doesn't work. You can open up the task. For me, this is, I like to see all of the contacts information at the same time, so I don't typically do it this way. Instead, what I like to do is click on the user, or the contact, and then I can kind of refresh my memory, look at their notes, scroll down, and complete their task. Okay, so this is how you complete tasks in the system. This is how you reassign tasks to other people. And if, for example, we're going to take this one step further. Let's say I need the admin to do something for Joy. I'm in here. It's not a task that I'm going to complete, but it needs to get done. And so what we would do is scroll down, click on Add Task. We'll just say Add to MLS Search. Okay. Basically, it will automatically put this in the admin's task list for today's date. I do have to assign it to the admin. And then see person notes. Wants Newton. Single family, let's say 750 to 1 million. 4+ bedroom. Obviously it would be a lot more granular than that typically, but we'll click on Save. That task will now show up assigned to the team admin with the notes, and will show up in that dashboard. So that's how you complete tasks and assign them to other individuals.